Hi, Rick here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Today's video has been shot in 360 virtual photography and video, so that means you can use your mouse or your finger, you can scroll around, look up, look down, you don't have to be looking at me the whole time. So today I'll be showing you a beautiful Glastron 2009, it's 30 feet. Great pocket cruiser. It's got all the features and amenities of a larger boat, and as you can see over here, you've got a really good seating area, comfortably fit 4 people. You've got a bar fridge here, a sink, lots of cup holders everywhere. There's barbecue bracket there, and also on the swim platform. If you take a look here, this model is the one with the second swim platform, which is great. Over here at the helm, it's got a nice layout, nice finish and layout, good electronics, brand new VHF radio. Behind you there you'll see a nice lounge area. Take you down below. Here you have a nice layout down here also. You've got a nice seating area and V-berth combo. In the back of you there you'll notice an aft cabin, which has got a nice big bed. Nice finishes here on these counters. You've got your 1-burner electric stove, your sink of course, your microwave. You've got a built-in coffee maker there. All of the lights have been upgraded to LED. There's also a surround sound system in here. For a boat this size, you've got a nice size head here also, nice and bright and very, very clean. This boat also has a lot of great storage for a boat this size. So it's in really good shape. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, you can give me a call at 604-649-4300. You can also email me at rick@vancouveryachtSales.com. You can check out this listing and all of our other listings at vancouveryachtSales.com. Thanks for watching.